Hello, welcome brothers and sisters to my channel Faisal Azib. Today I will show you another example how to use predicate to be familiar with this predefined functional interface. So for example, I want to check the length of a string. Okay, I will give a simple example. I don't want to make complicated example. It is not the purpose of this course. I want to understand how to use all this filter, not to complicate this type of things. Okay, so I want to check the length of the string. For example, if it is greater than 5. Okay, how to do this? I have my class. I have in my public static void main. Here I will create a new predicate object. Predicate with what is the type? It is string. P. After this, I make equal, and I have only one argument. It is str, for example. So I have removed all the things that don't need about lambda expression. I have done it before for the previous example. It is the same thing. So I have str, simple arrow, and I want to check str dot length method is greater than 5. Okay, that is my predicate. After to display a result, I will make system.out.println, and I will call my predicate with test method. It is only one abstract method in predicate functional interface. So p.test, I give him, for example, Faisal. Okay, normally this statement return true. Second one, for example, system.out.println p.test Ali, and this one returns false. Okay, let's see this program in the computer to check all this result, and when I finish, I will make another example. Okay, so let's go. So here is my predicate with string type, and here is my lambda expression. And here I want to check for Faisal string and Ali string. Let's see the result. Check, run, Java application. As you can see, I have true for the first one and false for the second. It is so simple. Okay, remember the predicate is in the package java.util.function. Let's see now the second example. Now what I want to do for this third example, I want to check with collection. It's possible, yes, you can do what you want. If collection contain a certain element, if it is empty or no, etc, etc. So we just check here if my collection is empty or no. Okay, what I will do in my predicate, I will give him a collection type. Okay, p equal, and I will use c collection or what you want as argument, simple arrow, and here what I will do, I just put c dot is empty. I will call is empty method to tell me if the collection is empty or no. It's so simple like this. After this, I will create a collection, a list, to check this predicate. Okay, so I will create a list, list 1, equal new array list of string. Okay, list string. For the first list, I will add just one element, so list 1 dot added Faisal. I will make system.out.println c.test of list 1 to check the list 1 if it's empty or no. Normally, it is not the case, so I will got false. Okay, I will create a second list list of string, list 2 equal new array list of string. And here I will not add an element. So I will make system.println c.test list 2. Really, I got true because my list is empty, my list 2. Okay? So it's so simple like this. So I will just go to the computer like the previous example. It's very quick to just check the result for these two lists if my predicate return the good result or no. Just to check. Not for another thing, I am sure, but just to check if it is the case or no. Okay? I will make simple example to understand how to use predicate with different type. It's very important. So let's go. So here I have my predicate with collection type, and my function and lambda expression is like this. So simple. Okay, I want to check if my collection is empty or no. So I've created my first list, and I want to check this one with element, and the second is without element. So normally this one return false, isn't empty, and this one return true. See this now. Let's check this. As you can see, the first one is false and the second is true. It's so simple. So I have not finished, but I have make some example how to use predicate. In next topic, I will continue how to use an advanced feature predicate. Okay, so it's very important to understand how to use them. See you in the next video, inshallah, brothers and sisters. If it's first time to see this course, subscribe to my channel, like this video, share it with your friends. I tell you goodbye. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.